Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is a technique how to take the impression of the natural flowers on the cloth and how to make the flower colors permanent on the cloth. First keep a drawing sheet below and then keep the cloth and then the flowers and then one more cloth and then hit with the hammer to take the impression of the flowers on the cloth.
Normally, if you have a hammer, you can use that.
एक मिनट hammer
అది తెచ్చారు కదా ప్రెస్
एक मिनट गोट्टा
But I'm afraid of this.
आयरन कर दिए तो
आयरन करने से हाँ ठीक है.
मैम इफ यू यूज इट रोलर पिन में ये
Roller pin,
rolling
but you
pin
won't be
मैं
able to extract the
न्यूज़पेपर भी
whole
लेके
color
आई
from this.
सो ना न्यूज़पेपर भी है क्लॉथ दे
नहीं
दूँ
नहीं है ये बस.
लाइट टैपिंग
Instead of keeping this kind of paper, you can use your good canson sheet or something so that it gets transferred to that. You can make gradings out of it.
like butter paper or something
Watercolor paper or something so that see you get like this.
अभी कलर्स फेड हुआ
No, no, they will not fade. So here also I have a print. I have a print here also. So what I have to do is I have to take a good greeting card paper or something so that this is also used and this is also
handmade
used.
paper
Yes. So you can arrange the petals to your choice and the flowers to your choice and make a composition. See.
वेरी नाइस
It's a creative people.
Yellows can fade, but darker colors will not fade. See, this is very light, so they will not look that bright.
this can be done on any fabric
Yes, it can be done on any fabric. But do not take organza or kota because they are very delicate fabrics.
they'll tear
So they may tear.
दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ परमानेंट कलर
Yes, it will be.
we have to do any after work for preservation
Yeah, after work preservation, I will send you a video how to do it. I will take this piece, I'll do it on this and I'll send it to you.
okay
You need to be a little patient with this.
yeah lots of energy is required
natural colors
So after how to preserve this, I will be sending a video
Yeah.
on this.
and if the work is incomplete like that again we have to start tapping the same
I think it's beauty of its own.
Okay.
Or if you
That's
want,
it's a style.
it's a style. And if you want, you can take your brush and put
Acha.
around the colors or what you can
Touch-ups,
play
yeah.
according to your choice. But if it would be me, I would leave it as
Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.